Student, good morning. Today I will discuss some more problems related to parallel line. Student, take an example. In the given figure, AB parallel to CD. Angle BAE is equal 50 degree. Angle AEC is equal x degree. And angle ECD equal 100 degree. Find the value of x. In this figure, AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD. And angle ECD equal 100 degree. Angle EAB equal 50 degree. And angle AEC equal x. We have to find the value of x. Clear? Now solution is here. Student, first of all, through E, draw a line GEH. Draw a line GEH which is parallel to AB and CD. Clear? Through E, draw a line GEH which is parallel to AB and CD. Now, GE parallel to AB, GE parallel to AB, and EA is the transversal. GE parallel to AB and EA is the transversal. Therefore, angle GEA is equal to angle EAB is equal 50 degree. Alternate interior angles. Angle GEA is equal to angle EAB equal 50 degree. Means angle GEA equal 50 degree. Because alternate angle. Again, EH is parallel to CD and EC is the transversal. Therefore, HEC plus ECD is equal 180 degree co-interior angle. Now, in this figure, EH is parallel to CD. EC is the transversal. Therefore, angle HEC plus ECD equal 180 degree. The sum of these two angles are equal to 180 degree. Because it is co-interior angle. Or angle HEC equal 180 degree minus 100 degree is equal 80 degree. Now GEH is a straight line. GEH is a straight line. Therefore, angle GEA plus angle AEC plus HEC is equal 180 degree straight angle. Angle GEA equal 50 degree. GEA equal 50 degree. Angle AEC equal X and angle HEC equal 80 degree. Therefore, X is equal 180 degree minus 50 degree plus 80 degree. 50 degree plus 80 degree. We get result 50 degree. Hence, X is equal 50 degree. Clear? Student, now take another example. In the given figure, AB parallel to CD, angle GED is equal to 125 degree and EF perpendicular to CD. EF perpendicular to CD. Find the value of angle AGE, angle GEF and angle FGE. In the given figure, AB parallel to CD, angle GED is equal 125 degree and EF perpendicular to CD. Find angle AGE, angle GEF and angle FGE. In this figure, angle GED is equal 125 degree. Angle FED is equal 90 degree. AB is parallel to CD. Clear? Now solution is here. AB is parallel to CD and GE is the transversal. AB parallel to CD and GE is the transversal. AB parallel to CD and GE is the transversal. Therefore, angle AGE is equal GED, full angle. Angle AGE is equal angle GED. Alternate angle. Alternate angle. Hence, angle AGE is equal angle GED equal 125 degree. Alternate interior angles. Now, angle GEF. GEF is equal angle GED minus angle FED. Angle in this figure, angle GED equal angle GEF equal angle GED minus angle FED. Angle GEF is equal angle GED minus angle FED is equal to 125 degree minus 90 degree. 125 degree minus 90 degree is equal 35 degree. Is equal 35 degree. 125 degree minus 90 degree is equal 35 degree. Now AB parallel to CD and EF is the transversal. In this figure, AB is parallel to CD, EF is the transversal. Therefore, angle FED is equal angle EFG. Angle FED is equal angle GFE 90 degree. Alternate interior angle. Angle BFE angle FED. Now angle BFE plus FED is equal 180 degree. Now AB parallel to CD and EF is the transversal. Therefore, angle BFE plus FED is equal 180 degree, co-interior angles. Angle EFB plus FED, co-interior angles. Because AB parallel to CD and FE is the transversal. Therefore, angle BFE is equal 180 degree minus 90 degree is equal 90 degree. Clear? Now AB is a straight line and EF stands on it. Therefore, GFE plus BFE is equal 180 degree. Angle GFE plus EFB, straight angle, linear pair. Therefore, angle GFE is equal 180 minus 90 is equal 90. (180 degree minus 90 degree is equal 90 degree. We know that the sum of the angles of a triangle is equal 180 degree. In GEF, in triangle GEF, we have angle GEF plus EFG plus FGE is equal 180 degree. In this figure, in triangle GEF, this angle plus this angle plus this angle is equal 180 degree. (90 degree). Angle GFE is equal 90 degree. Angle GEF is equal 35 degree. Then 180 degree minus 90 plus 35 is equal 35 degree, angle GEF equal 35 degree, EFG equal to 90 degree. Therefore, angle FGE equal 180 degree minus 125 degree is equal 55 degree. Hence, angle AGE is equal 125 degree, angle GEF is equal 35 degree, and angle FGE is equal 55 degree. Clear? Student, take another example. In the figure, line L is parallel to M, is parallel to N, and P parallel to Q, parallel to R. If angle 1 is equal 85 degree, then find angle X, angle Y, angle Z, angle T, angle S, and angle U. In this figure, line L is parallel to M, is parallel to N. Line P is parallel to Q, is parallel to R. Angle 1 is 85 degree. Angle 1 is here. Angle 1 equal to 85 degree. Then we have to find angle X, angle Y, angle Z, angle T, angle S, and angle U. Now, solution is here. Angle 1 is equal 85 degree. Since line L is parallel to M and line P is the transversal. Line L is parallel to M and line P is transversal. Therefore, angle 1 is equal angle X, alternate interior angle. Angle 1 is equal angle X, alternate angles. Therefore, angle X is equal 85 degree. Now, line P is parallel to Q and line M is the transversal. Line P is here and line Q is here. Line P is parallel to Q and line M is transversal. Therefore, angle X is equal to angle Z, corresponding angle. Therefore, angle Z equal 85 degree. Angle Z equal 85 degree. Angle X is equal angle Z, corresponding angle. Therefore, angle Z equal 85 degree. Again, line L is parallel to N and line P is the transversal. Line L is parallel to N and line P is transversal. Therefore, angle 1 plus angle Y is equal 180 degree, co-interior angle. Therefore, angle Y is equal 180 degree minus 85 degree is equal 95 degree. Angle 1 plus angle Y is equal 180 degree, co-interior angle. Therefore, 85 plus angle Y is equal 180 degree. Therefore, angle Y is equal 180 degree minus 85 degree is equal 95 degree. Line P is parallel to line P is parallel to R and line N is the transversal. Therefore, angle y plus angle t is equal 180 degree co-interior angle. Y plus t. Now, line P is parallel to line R, and line N is transversal. Therefore, angle y plus angle t is equal 180 degree co-interior angle. Y plus t is equal 180 degree co-interior angle. Therefore, angle t is equal 180 degree minus 95 degree is equal 85 degree. Also, line L is parallel to N and line R is the transversal. Line L is parallel to N and line R is transversal. Therefore, angle T is equal angle S, alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle. Therefore, angle T equal angle S is equal 85 degree alternate interior angles. Clear? Now, angle U plus angle S is equal 180 degree linear pair. Therefore, angle U plus 85 degree, because S is equal 85 degree, is given. Therefore, angle U is equal 180 degree minus 85 degree is equal 95 degree. Angle U plus angle S is equal 180 degree linear pair. Angle S is equal 85 degrees here. Therefore, angle U plus 85 degree is equal 180 degree, and angle U is equal 180 minus 85 is equal 95 degree. Clear?